Land transport. It's a means of transportation that moves on land. Land transport is the most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another. The main two forms of land transport are rail transport and road transport. Rail transport. This is a train. It can carry larger volumes over greater distances, making it more economical. Road transport. This is a car. This is a bus. This is a truck. This is a jeep. This is a scooter. This is a dump truck. This is a bicycle. This is an auto rickshaw. This is a motorcycle. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.